Hello and welcome back to the Daily Tagalog. In today's lesson, we're learning something you'll definitely need every day. How to say goodbye in Tagalog. The most common way to say goodbye in Tagalog is the word paalam. Say paalam. Let's break it down slowly together. Pa-a-lam. Paalam. Say paalam. Great job! If you're speaking to someone older than you or someone you want to show respect to, like your teacher, an elder, or even a stranger, it's polite to say, paalam po. Say, paalam po. The word po is a marker of respect in Filipino. Let's say that together. Paalam po. Try saying it again with me. Paalam po. That sounds respectful and kind. In Filipino culture, showing politeness and respect, especially to elders, is very important. That's why you'll often hear po added to everyday phrases. Saying paalam po is a small but meaningful way to show kindness when you're leaving. All right, let's practice what we've learned. I'll say it first and then you repeat. Paalam. Paalam po. Paalam. Paalam po. Nice work! So to review, paalam means goodbye. Paalam po means goodbye in a respectful and polite way. Use po when speaking to someone older or in a formal situation. And that's it for today's lesson. Try using paalam in real life and see how it feels. Even the simplest words can help you connect with others in a meaningful way. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back for more simple and useful Tagalog lessons. We're here to learn together, one phrase at a time.